Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to run the group report inside Crystal Knows. First, navigate to the Crystal Knows website and hit the Reports option on the menu here. That will take you to this page. Scroll down to the Building Teams section and you'll see the group report here. You can either hit Build Report or just click anywhere on this bar and this pop-up will show. And you'll be prompted to enter a group name and select who you want to be in the group. So we can enter test group here. And then we can start adding people. I'll add myself. I'll add a few of my team members here. Whoops, don't tell Megan I did that. Wow, don't tell Carter I did that either. Alright, so we've got a few people in here. I'll hit next. I'll be prompted to build the report. And Crystal will generate a group report for these people that I've selected. So we can see we've got an overview for how the group is going to come together. We can see each person, their job title, their disk type, their archetype here. We've got the personality map where we can cycle through each person and see an overview about their personality as well as how they're going to be most effective inside the group. We can cycle between archetype and disk type here if we'd like. This section is going to show us how each person likely fits into the group. We've got team strengths, team blind spots, and then we can see how each person fits into the group. What are they going to be comfortable with, and what they may have trouble with. That is the group report right there in a nutshell. This report can be printed off or downloaded. You can share it with someone else, or you can delete it if you want. Thanks for following along. Have a great rest of your day.